Sister Bernadette Dumont. Okay, Sister. She will have her time with me. Thank you. Paulinians all, my dear sister, colleagues in administration, faculty, staff, students, our esteemed parents and guardians who are here, good morning. Today, we are on to start school year 2026-2027 with every reason to be truly happy and grateful to our Almighty Father in heaven for bringing us all together again, face to face, physically present to one another, and ready to embark on the journey of bringing heart and soul into Paulinian education. The past school years of mostly virtual presences to one another in school have made us discover many new insights into the demands and challenges, as well as the opportunities and benefits of education, technology-based classroom interactions, in collaborative and participative work, in outcomes-directed course programs, and above all, in learner-centered independent study. Indeed, these 2 years, last school years, have made education today not only relevant for this generation, but especially more engaging, exciting, and enduring. Here in St. Paul University, Surigao, education goes far beyond the classroom and the school premises. Education is not simply a course requirement to be fulfilled in order to obtain a diploma or a degree. Here, education is the formation of every person to become the best of who he or she is. Competent, productive, creative, and loving. The person who will be the pride of her family, the friend to everyone, the servant leader to his community, a person after the person of Jesus Christ, a faithful and beloved child of God. And this I have said, and I say it again, to each and all of us now. This is our story. This is our everyday reason for being here. This school is our unfolding dream of the future. We journey together the Jesus way of self-effacing service, being all to all, promoting the common good, and the generous leader, ever ready to do what needs to be done, but has been left out by others. Always mindful of the most needy and deprived.
pride.